Hello and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we have an exciting product to talk about, the Crepe Erase Advanced Body Repair Treatment. If you're looking for the best anti-aging body cream in the market, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll explore everything you need to know about this product, from its ingredients to its benefits. So, let's dive right in. Let's start with an overview of the Crepe Erase Advanced Body Repair Treatment. This anti-aging wrinkle cream is designed for both your face and body. It's formulated with TrueFirm Complex, which is a powerful blend of ingredients that support your skin's natural elastin and collagen production. This 10-ounce jar is packed with goodness that promises to leave your skin visibly smoother, firmer, and touchably soft. Now, let's talk about what goes into this amazing cream. The key active ingredients include coconut oil, glycerin, glycerol stearate, squalane, and vitamin E. These components work together to nourish and rejuvenate your skin, helping you combat the signs of aging. Moving on to the benefits of using Crepe Erase Advanced Body Repair Treatment. This product is known for its smoothing, firming, softening, hydrating, exfoliating, and anti-aging properties. It's perfect for addressing dry, crepey skin on your arms, knees, legs, and chest. You can expect improved texture, elasticity, and overall skin health. Wondering how to incorporate this product into your skincare routine? It's simple. Use it twice daily, preferably after exfoliating with a pre-treatment. Apply the cream liberally onto dry, crepey areas of your body and massage it in using upward, circular motions. It's that easy to achieve smoother, firmer skin. Now, let's take a look at what customers are saying about Crepe Erase Advanced Body Repair Treatment. With over 7,000 reviews and a 4.1-star rating, it's clear that many people have had positive experiences with this product. Some customers have reported visible improvements in their skin, while others appreciate the subtle fragrance and non-greasy feel. However, like any product, there are mixed opinions on factors like consistency, absorption, and scent. In conclusion, the Crepe Erase Advanced Body Repair Treatment with TrueFirm Complex seems to be a promising solution for those looking to combat crepey, aging skin. It's packed with beneficial ingredients and has garnered positive feedback from many users. While individual results may vary, it's worth considering if you're on the hunt for the best anti-aging body cream. If you're interested in trying out the Crepe Erase Advanced Body Repair Treatment for yourself, you can find it on Amazon.com. We've provided a link in the description below, so be sure to check it out. That's it for today's video on Crepe Erase Advanced Body Repair Treatment. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more informative product reviews. If you've tried this product or have any questions, please share your thoughts in the comment section. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you in the next video.